Hi, how are you? In this materialistic world, nothing comes free except the air we breathe in. Unfortunately, due to breathing problems, there are many people who pay even to breathe. In medical terms, breathing problem is also known as dyspnea, which is due to lung and heart problems. Sometimes breathing trouble unable a person inhales enough amount of air or oxygen that is required by the body. This may lead to severe repercussion on the overall health. But don't worry, problem solved. Here are some best remedies for breathing problems. Ginger, mustard oil, garlic, coffee. Ginger to treat breathing problems. It is one of the best remedies to treat breathing problems. Ginger consists of antibacterial properties, which are beneficial to treat breathing problems and helps remove phlegm and mucus from the respiratory tract. Consume at least a small piece of ginger or extract some juice of ginger. Alternatively, you could mix some amount of salt and consume it. Do this process 2 to 3 times a day to treat breathing problem. Mustard oil to treat breathing problems. Mustard oil is an effective remedy to deal breathlessness and helps clear respiratory tract and results in restoring into normal breathing. All these qualities make mustard oil one of the best treatments to fix breathing problems. Include mustard oil in your diet for best results. Garlic to treat breathing problems. Garlic consists of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and expectorant properties, which is useful for the reducing and preventing breathing disorders like asthma and bronchitis. For many years, garlic has been used to treat and cure shortness of breath and many others. Coffee to treat breathing problems. Caffeine is known for controlling and reducing breathing problems. Caffeine has many side effects which are beneficial for health problems. This is because of its bronchodilator property. A hot coffee can help you kick back to the problem with its strong brew. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, let us know in the comment and subscribe us.